and rotate this whole thing this way.
Oh, so it loosens it. That is so crazy. Whoa. Whoa, this one does not move at all.
No, this is the crankshaft right here. So
This all the way at the bottom?
yeah, the crankshaft's here.
Because
The
all the
camshafts are here. The crankshaft goes through and the pistons are connected to the crankshaft.
Yeah.
And when the crankshaft turns, the pistons move up and down.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why when you're turning this, it was turning the pistons
yeah,
in the
and
engine.
then,
I'll take the bolt off like this and then just show the camera.
Whoa, it's a nut? I thought it was a bolt. Nice. I'm trying to do your idea of show everything as you take it out.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, oil. Oh my god, there it is.
Okay.
It smells like paint.
So eventually we're gonna have to drain all the oil. Hopefully I will have this video edited and maybe even published by the time we put the engine back together. So I'll be able to look back and see exactly where all the bolts go.
It was cool though. I was talking to Graham. I guess he's like getting into cars again. I was like, yeah, me and my boy Evan, we've been working on my car. I was like, Evan's like he's really good with cars. He's way smarter than I thought. And he was like, oh shit. He was like, yeah, that dude's got a really nice Miata.
He knows?
Yeah,
Really?
he knows you. Yeah, you're like a legend, dude. Do you know how many people I brought that up to, and they're like,
Really?
oh yeah, it's Evan. He's got the
that's
Miata,
cool.
right?
That's actually really sick.
Oh, wait, that's a good sign. What are the things that are like? It's like a kind of looks like a wrench. It's like got a line and then it's like a big circle.
Those are the rods.
That thing's heavy, dude.
it's Editing Evan here again. I hope you enjoyed watching us rip apart the 1zz-fe. We had a great time seeing how this engine was put together, and checking the condition of the engine before doing any modifications was well worth all the hours that were put in, and not to mention how beneficial it is for Jonah and even myself to take apart an engine in this way. There were so many things that I was previously confused about that now I can say I'm confident in. For example, in a previous video I mentioned that I've never done any bottom work to an engine, and I can admit I was a little intimidated before starting this. But so far, the disassembly process has been far easier than I ever anticipated, and the reassembly process seems to be equally as easy. The only issue I can see us running into is we didn't label any of the nuts and bolts, so the reassembly process of trying to find where everything goes might be a challenge. In the next video, we start the reassembly process by installing the new pistons and rings into the freshly cleaned block. We have to get the head resurfaced and figure out what we're going to do with the non-VVT cam gear and camshaft that the previous owner left in there. I thought it would work, but after looking at it a little bit, it doesn't seem like it will. We'll see what we're going to do. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. I would really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed and you want to see some more Race Instinct content, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.